Hello friends, this is bird feeder and we required for that some waste materials for decoration, and you also use waste buttons, a foam sheet and handmade sheet and an empty box. You can use any boxes like cream box, milk box, cereals box, whatever you have. One chopstick for the setting of birds, a ribbon and a string, some sticks for shade, and glue and scissor, marker. That's it. Have a look. This is my bird feeder. Let's start. Take an empty box and cut it here like door. You can keep it open properly or fully open. Then paste your sheet on this box, this handmade sheet, and different color for the door and flowers and bottom. You can see here. You can different sheet cut it in the shape of flowers, butterfly, some fruits, whatever you want for decoration, and paste it here. Then we make it shade like this. For this, you have to paste some sticks like this for the shades. Then you paste here a ribbon for locking system, and here you have to cut a hole where there pass a chopstick like this. And for hanging, we can use this ribbon or string like that. And your bird feeder is completely ready. So many birds twittering here. Hope you enjoy my video. Bye bye. Meet you again. See ya. Bye bye.